So, ayun, studying Catholic moral theology is not about judging others. It's about looking inward to examine our hearts and asking God for forgiveness. No, mahal tayo ng Diyos at walang kasalanan ang hindi niya kayang patawarin sa isang pusong nagsisisi. No, we carry wounds or past failures. No, minsan tayong nadapa, minsan tayong nasaktan, minsan tayong nakasakit, but God called us to rise again, to embrace a new life at sundin ang loob niya. I hope this study is a reminder we are loved, we are called by His grace, and we can begin again.